Hey guys, Bonjour, Christelle here. Welcome to my relaxer prep wash day. This wash will be the last wash before my relaxer. All I will use today is a egg yolk and some olive oil and a conditioner, deep conditioner of your choice. Okay, so the deep conditioner I'll be using, it will be very similar to the egg yolk and the olive oil. So you put these two together. I will give them a good mix. You can use any essential oil of your choice. My choice today is the tea tree oil. I love tea tree because it's very good for the scalp, but also it really helps with the smell of the egg yolk. Even though you don't add the whole egg, you still have a bit of this egg smell, so it will help. And the deep conditioner I'm using today is the OLS replenishing deep conditioner. You can use a hair mayonnaise if you want, but I prefer to use a mild conditioner because already I'm using egg yolk for protein base. If you don't have any deep conditioner, you can still use the olive oil mixed with the egg yolk. You will be good to go. Like I realized when I was mixing it, if somebody has a bit fuller hair than mine or longer, you will have to use 2 egg yolk to make a batch enough for yourself. So guys, this is a spoiler alert. I never ever had a better deep conditioner than that one, because the result, my hair feel so strong and so smooth. My hair feel like it really can take a good my hair feel right. My hair feel right. That's the word I was looking for, guys. So the this product, I'll be adding it on the length of my hair. I know some people, when they go in for a new relaxer, they're always trying to pack the protein conditioner or deep conditioner on their roots. For me, that will be a no-no for this wash, because I know my hair is grown so nicely, so healthily, if is that a word. So I don't need to put a deep conditioner protein base on my new growth, because I'm doing the castor oil, I'm still doing the castor oil challenge, and I think my new growth, they are quite healthy. So I will be focusing on where my line of demarcation is to my ends. This is the part I'll be applying my product, because I want to protect my hair for the relaxer runoff, as my hair is quite fine from since I having this my postpartum shedding. So my hair still need to grow out, like to get a bit of fullness. So I don't want my new relaxer runoff to make the body of my hair thinner than it is already. You can watch the video. I will come back to you later and I'll keep chatting you up. I'm exactly 14 weeks post relaxer, and I had a post break for the last 4 weeks. And through these 14 weeks, I did not have any excessive shedding, neither breakage. And I can say this relaxer session, or when I say this session, it just from the for the last 14 weeks has been a successful one. And my advice would be to not put your head on the any heating cap or anything like that, because that's I just use a double plastic bag, and I let it for 35 minutes. And after that, that's the result you have. You can see my hair still looking okay. I did not have any cooked egg on my hair. So I will just go ahead and use my ORS moisturizing shampoo. Is a sulfate free shampoo. I'll go and I will use as my shampoo to clear up my hair, and I leave it for 2 3 minutes sitting on the hair, like to have a really clean scalp and clean hair. And this is the shampoo I'll be using, and it really did the job. I did not feel the need to use any sulfate based shampoo or clarifying shampoo, because I did clarify my hair before I took my braids down. And just after I shampooed my hair, I went ahead and I used my As I Am Elation Hydration Deep Conditioning Mask, and it is 100% moisturizing mask, and I focusing it on my roots to tip or end of my hair. And it was really worthy to put this amount of product all through my hair, even though my hair feels so moisturized after I rinsed off the shampoo, because the olive oil give a good nice and smooth and sleek feeling to the hair. And the egg yolk was very smooth also. And don't forget, like, the OAS replenishing conditioner is a replenishing conditioner, as it said. So it has protein in it, but it also have moisturizing ingredient in it. So really, I end up with very smooth, strong hair. And I think this treatment mask, I will do it again. I want to use it more on my hair because I absolutely love it. So guys, this was my pre-relaxer wash, and all I will be doing is moisturizing and seal my hair with my coconut oil, which is very good to support protein loss, because I still, as I said before, want to protect the length of my hair as much as possible, because I'll be relaxing my hair in 5 days time. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to comment. And welcome to my new subscribers. I love you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content. And don't hesitate to ask your question, and I will see you very soon in another video. Bye.